Hi there! Welcome to this 3-minute tutorial on how to send the data you collected with QR codes to Google Sheets. If you're watching this video, it means you've already created an interface and linked it to a custom QR code for attendance monitoring, feedback collection, and/or task management with Ubiqod. If that's not the case, we suggest you check out our other tutorials first and come back to this video. If you already have the elements listed on the screen, we can begin. Our first step is to create the bridge between your data and your Google Sheets spreadsheet. That's step 1, create a dispatch. To start, you're gonna create a Google Sheets document. We called ours Site A. We created 3 columns. Timestamp, so we'll know the date and time of the latest check-in. Person, so we'll know who clocked in or out. And clock in out to know whether they're arriving or leaving the site. Once you're done, you're gonna copy the link to your Google Sheets doc like we're showing you in this video. Then go to the Ubiqod website and click on Dispatch on the menu on the left. Then select Create. You can send your data to a lot of different software such as Monday.com and Zapier, but here we're going with Google Sheets. Give a name to your dispatch. For example, Attendance Sheet. Then you're gonna set up your Google Sheets connection or select it from the drop-down menu. Then on the URL section, you're gonna paste the link to your spreadsheet and click on Retrieve Spreadsheet Data. You're going to select the tab you want to connect to your dispatch. Here it's Attendance Demo. Once you're done, you're going to map the different columns on your spreadsheet. For timestamp, we type timestamp to record the scan time. For person, we use code label to show the name linked to the PIN code. For clock in out, we choose data label to display arrival or departure. Once you're done mapping your spreadsheet, click on Create. Now that our dispatch is set up, let's link it to our QR code so we'll be able to sync the data to our Google Sheets doc. Go to the Trackers page, then select the tracker you want to link to your spreadsheet. Remember how we linked our on-site check-in form to this tracker? Well now, we're going to link the dispatch we created from the Dispatch drop-down menu, then click on Update and you're good to go. Now, let's work the magic. We're going to test scan our QR code and see our spreadsheet update in real time. Scan the QR code and select Arrival or Departure from site. Here, we'll go with Departure. Remember the PIN code list we created with our interface in a previous tutorial? We'll input Marie's PIN code here, which is 1234. Click on Validate and see what happens on screen. Our spreadsheet is updated with our latest check-in. Now that you know how to send data to your Google Sheets doc, you can now create dispatches from your QR codes directly to Monday.com, Zapier, and even Microsoft tools with Ubiqod, the cloud platform for on-site management. It's a simple, flexible way to track your on-site data without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or would like to get a quote, don't hesitate to send us an email or visit our website. See you on the next tutorial.